Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic, multi-company security in Odoo 16. Specifically, we will look at how to ensure that users from different companies can see only data related to their companies. Odoo can be used to manage multiple companies inside the same system. For example, we have two companies in our system, San Francisco and Chicago. So, like if you want that user from company San Francisco should not be able to see records of the other company, which is my company Chicago, then it is only possible to manage it to the record rules. So Odoo provides multiple ways to manage the company security, but in today's video we are specifically going to discuss about the multi-company record rules. So we can add multi-company record rules only if we add the company ID field on each model. We have two models, course and sessions. And let me go to the PyCharm and then we will add the company ID field. So company ID will be a many to one field and its relation will be company to and its relation will be with the raise.partner company because this is the model where companies are defined. And here we need to add the string, which is company. So the third parameter that we need to add here is to select the default company. So by default, when we create a record, the current active company should be selected by default. So in order to do so, first let me check the code for it in Odoo default add-ons. So it is defined in many places. So let me see here. So this is, let me just copy it here and paste it. So here we don't need to make it required, but because in some cases the records could be shared between the companies. So in some cases it can be empty, and we will not make it read only because it should be selected by the user. Okay, and here we will another attribute with the name string, which will be company, like this. And the same way we need to add a field in the sessions model. Let me just go here and add the field company ID equal to fields dot many to one, sorry, raise dot company and string equal to company. But here we need to make it a related field because the sessions that belong to the course should have the same company that is assigned to the course. So we need to make it a related field here because it should not be a different company. So in order to assign a related field, we can say related is equal to, so we can say course ID dot company ID. Like this. Okay, and so once we create the course and then the session, so the model that is assigned to the course will be assigned automatically to the session also. And then we need to add this field to the XML. So this is the form view where we need to add the field. So, and the same field I need to add on the session model. Okay, so let me restart Odoo service and then upgrade the module. So let me go back to our custom module because the module has been updated, and let me refresh the page. So if we refresh the page and open it, so we can see a new field which is company. and here we can select the companies that are available here. Okay, but here you can see that we can select a company that is not active here. Okay, so this is because we have not yet added the security for this. And if we assign a company that is not the one that is selected here, we can select and we will still be able to see it. For example, let me select this one and save it, so we still can see it here. And the same is goes for the sessions. So if you go to the sessions and go here, and here we can see the company selected Chicago, and we can see it. So in order to show the specific records that are related to the company to the user, we need to add the record rule. So for this purpose, let me go to the pycharm, and inside the security directory, we have a file with the name recordrules.xml. So here in the record rule, we need to add here a record rule for the multi-company. We can say multi-company record rule. So I will just copy the existing record rule. So let me just copy it and paste it. I will change it it is first we will edit for the course model, and it will be multi-company. Okay, we will make it like this here, course, and then make it multi-company. So, and here I need to define a model which is OD Open Academy .course. This is the same model for which we want to add. Let me show you here this model. Okay, and then I need to define the domain. So the domain should be something like we need to add it based on the company ID that we added recently, the field that we recently added. Let me show you in the courses. So this is the company ID field, and here we will say that if company ID, like show the record, if company ID equal to false, we will add two conditions. We need to apply the record rule if the company ID is not set, or company ID is in the active company IDs. We can say company IDs. So this company IDs will return the IDs of all the companies that are selected here. So currently we have only one active company, so it will just show you only one company. Okay, and this means that if the company is not set for the record, it will be visible to all the company's users. So here we will add or, because we need to set like one of these conditions should be true, and we will have to apply it for all of these records, for all of these access right per unlink, create, read, and write. Okay, so let me, and one more thing is that multi-company records are mostly global, so it is not specific to any group, because it can be overridden by other record rules. So we should make it global. So let me upgrade the module, and then we will see how it gives the results. Okay, the module has been updated. Let me go back here and let me refresh. So here you can see that we cannot see the other record of this course model, because we have only access to the San Francisco company. If I activate the other, if I switch the company to the other one, and then it will reload the page, and here you can see we have the record of the other company. So if I activate both of them, I will be able to see both of these records. So let me go here and here you can see both of them. And if I remove this company, if I remove it and just save it, I will still be able to see it because I have added a condition for this. And if I remove this one, like San Francisco, let me log out from this company, and here I can see both of them. So one of the record belong to a company and another one does not belong to any company. So I can see both of these records because of this record rule. Now that we have added the record rule for the course model, we need to duplicate the same record rule and we need to add it for the session model also. So we will update the ID with session, and here we will also add session, and here we will replace course with session so that it is added for the session model. And the domain will remain the same and these fields will remain the same. Okay, I just need to upgrade the module. Restart is actually not needed because the change is only in the XML. So upgrade the module, and after the module upgrade we will see that this rule will be applicable for the session model also. So let me refresh this page. And let me go to the sessions. So go to sessions, and from here you can also access the record rules. So if we try to see the record rules, you will see that we have 3 record rules. One is the global rule, which is for the multi-company that we have just added. Okay, and if you want to test it, we just need to switch between the companies. So let me just switch to another company, and you will not be able to see anything because none of the session is assigned to the Chicago company. So another important thing is that we need to add here a group, groups equal to base.group multi-company. Okay, because this field should be invisible if the user is assigned only one company. Like if there is multi-company setup, it should be visible, but in case of single company, it should be invisible. So for this purpose, we need to use this field on the company ID. And we need to add the same group for the sessions model company ID field. And let me update the module. Okay, so the module has been upgraded. Let me go to the users, and then let me assign only single company to this user. So currently we have assigned 2 companies to this user. Let me remove one of the company, and okay, so this is the default company. We cannot remove it. So let me change the default company also. So no, we cannot remove it. So let me remove this company and then save it, and then go to this model. So here we say that you cannot access the record from the unauthorized company. So let me go back and click here, and there is inconsistency in the system, I think. Okay, due to like I cannot access this. So let me go to this one. So here you can see that we can see only one record, but if I open it, I cannot see the company ID field because now the user is only assigned one company and it is hidden. So if I assign the user another company again and refresh the page, you will see the company field. So here you can see this is the company field of this, and save it. So this is how simple it is working. If you have any questions, you can ask in our Discord group. The link you can find in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos, because in the next video we need to discuss about the company dependent fields and further security guidelines. Thank you.